Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel's Data ribbon and choosing Get Data. This launches Power Query, which saves time when sources change. First, paste the target URL or API endpoint into From Web so you pull HTML tables or JSON. Make sure you know whether you need authentication, basic, token, or API key before continuing, because credentials change how you connect. Once done, preview results in the Navigator pane to confirm you can see the table or object you want to import. Now you transform raw rows into usable data. Power Query is where most work happens. Expand JSON records into columns, split combined fields, and apply filters so you only load relevant rows. Use conditional columns or custom M formula for calculated values, and change data types to date, number, or text to avoid downstream errors. Once your table matches the shape you need, load it to a sheet or the data model. Make sure to give it a clear query name so refresh targets the right table. Finish by loading the query to the worksheet or to the data model, and configure refresh options: background refresh, refresh on open, or timed refresh via Power Automate or Excel Online. Once set, test a manual refresh to verify credentials and rate limits hold. If something goes wrong, check authentication tokens, headers, and API quotas. Also inspect JSON paths or HTML selectors, because site layout changes break queries. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the request in a browser or Postman to isolate auth versus parsing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.